Good afternoon, and thank you for coming this afternoon. Joining me today are FBI Executive Assistant Director for Counterterrorism. Today, a U.S.-based charity that claims to do good works is charged with funding the works of evil. About 2.5 years ago, President Bush announced the terrorist designation of the Texas-based Holy Land Foundation for Relief and Development. This designation was based on the foundation's long-standing association with Hamas, a notorious terrorist organization that engages in violent attacks to intimidate and coerce the government of Israel and its civilian population. Security Assistant Secretary for Immigration and Customs Enforcement is prepared to those who exploit good hearts to fund secretly violence and murder. This prosecution sends a clear message. There is no distinction between those who carry out terrorist attacks and those who knowingly finance terrorist attacks. The United States will ensure that both terrorists and their financiers meet the same certain justice. And now, following the money trail embodied in those of expertise at IRS are critical to helping us make the case. Now, this prosecution would have been more difficult, if not impossible, were it not for the tools provided by the USA Patriot Act. After that law's passage, much of the information that had been gathered together, garnered by intelligence agents related to this investigation, became available for use by prosecutors. Indeed, significant compelling evidence that will be used at the trial in this case was derived through court-authorized surveillance under the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act. Prosecutors also used the Patriot Act authority, which allowed the court in Dallas, which was most familiar with the case, to issue search warrants for locations outside the Dallas district. Now it's my pleasure to call upon the Criminal Division or